In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo schedule transfer didn't send. So if you actually have this problem, what you can do is you actually just need to set up another scheduled payment. So tap on the pay or request at the bottom of your screen and then search and add the person that you want to pay or charge. So on this case, transfer, so choose the pay or send option. Enter an amount and tap on the schedule or the calendar icon from there. Select your payment frequency or select an end date or no end date. And then after that, tap on save and tap on pay. After that, you just need to review the screen and verify your payment or request is correct before tapping schedule payment. You can also edit or cancel scheduled payments if you want. So head over to the Me tab, tap on transactions, view all transactions and edit the payment, and then you can update the schedule that's added from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out.